I learn English.
I learn English.
So do you.
So do you.
We will hear and speak it. We will hear and speak it. Read and write it too. Read and write it too.
Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe to our channel Urdu School Parbhani.
मी सुनीता घोरपडे. माझे 2 दोस्त आज आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींबद्दल इंग्रजीत काय काय माहिती सांगतात ते नीट ऐका बरं का.
पाठाच्या या भागात आज ऐकलेले काही इंग्रजी शब्द आणि वाक्य तुम्हाला पुन्हा ऐकायला मिळतील. आम्ही अगदी हळू बोलू तेव्हा नीट लक्ष देऊन ऐका हं. टीचर, ही वाक्य वहीत लिहून घ्याल ना, म्हणजे पुढच्या भागात सराव करणं सोपं जाईल. Tell me about your friend.
My friend's name is Farida. She is in class 5. She goes to Vidya Mandir school.
Tell me about your friend. What is his name?
His name is Amit. He is 10. He lives in Ambegaon.
Which class is he in?
He is in class 4.
Which school does he go to?
He goes to Zilla Parishad Prathmik Shala Ambegaon.